out to Six Flags Fiesta Texas today to check out the total solar eclipse here in San Antonio, Texas. We're going to be in the path of totality. Just went and picked up our glasses. All right, so we're in line right now about to pick up our total solar eclipse glasses, and I think we get a little ticket for the Lone Star Lil amphitheater that we're going to see the eclipse in. But the solar eclipse should be passing over us around 1:30, 1:31, something like that, Central Time. So it should be a pretty good show. I'm hoping that the clouds break a little bit. It's pretty cloudy right now, but we'll see how it turns out. And it's official. We got our Six Flags solar eclipse at the park lanyard. Let me just flip it over here. April 8th, 2024. This is actually really cool. It tells you the different phases, the time, and the event, and the direction and the altitude. So it's got all the information on here. We're going to be heading over to the Lone Star Lil's amphitheater just in a moment to check everything out. So here's a look at my lanyard. I'm all ready to go, ready to head over. So Six Flags had a couple of different souvenir packages that you could purchase for the eclipse. I got one called I Was There souvenir package. It's like $10. You get a commemorative lanyard, as well as you get the eclipse glasses, and then you get access to the amphitheater to see the solar eclipse. And then they had another one where you got like a t-shirt, and then another one where you could get some VIP seating as well.
Today at 1:30ish, we'll have fireworks and a drone show when it gets dark. Takes up 170 feet in the air. Spin just swings you at the same time. Joker, incredible chaos. Just all the ride. Take up 20 feet and spin you around and around. If you want to call us, we got skyscraper over there at 199 feet. It's going to be called Super Girl soon, but it needs universe expansion. We got Hero Coaster Chase over here on my left for the little one.
All right, gonna get on the Poltergeist here. Haven't been on this one in a little bit, but it's one of my favorites. Just making my way through the entrance here of Poltergeist. Look at some of the theme in here. Got that Halloween vibe going. Got some skulls. This old school vehicle. It's cool how they make that thing look dirty. Making our way up the stairs. About to head inside. I think we go this way. Dark in here.
Hi guys, welcome to the Poltergeist. Pull down that restraint, plug that seatbelt on the outside knee. It doesn't go across you, it goes on your outside knee when you pull down that top restraint. Welcome back riders, I hope you enjoyed that ride. If you haven't done so already, you may unbuckle that seatbelt. When the train comes to a full and complete stop, push up on that restraint, exit towards my right.
Just got off Poltergeist, had a lot of fun on that one. We still got a little bit until the eclipse, maybe ride another ride before I head over there. We'll just see how it goes. Still kind of cloudy, hoping it clears up, but we'll see what it looks like. So it's not too many people at all out here. It's seems kind of empty actually. So we'll see. We're just walking around, seeing what's going on. About to head back to the Fiesta Bay boardwalk, see if anything's going on back here. So actually take that back, the boardwalk is closed, so Don't think we're going to be doing that today. Maybe next time. Check out this very cool DC Universe sign. So this whole area back here is where Six Flags is adding some additions. Should be coming up here pretty soon. We'll be getting some new rides back here in the DC Universe. So a total solar eclipse is going to be where the moon actually blocks the sun from the earth. And during that blockage, if you're in the totality area, there should be total darkness for at least a few minutes, and that's what I'm hoping we experience today with this eclipse. This is going to be the last total solar eclipse that we'll experience in the lower 48 for the next 20 years until 2044. Pretty incredible. Heading inside the Lone Star Lil's Western Amphitheater. This is where we will be viewing the total solar eclipse. Doesn't look like there's too many people here yet. Try to see if I can get a good spot, camp out here, so we can get a perfect viewing of it. So here's a look at the view of everybody sitting out here, trying to get their spot. So we just wrapped up the total solar eclipse here at Six Flags Fiesta Texas. Put on a great show. They always do. That was probably the best fireworks show I've ever seen. Seen a drone show before. This one was pretty good. Not as long as their other ones, of course, but that ending was spectacular. Now the total eclipse itself, I gotta say it was a little bit of a bust. Totally because of the weather. It was really cloudy. You really couldn't see anything. It did get really dark. That was really cool, and it got pretty cool too. The weather dropped a couple degrees, it felt like, but just a great reaction from everyone that was at the amphitheater sitting on the lawn. Everyone started cheering and had that great fireworks display at the end. So I really enjoyed it. Still ended up being a good day, even though the solar eclipse wasn't as everything it was hyped to be, just because of the weather. Just gonna walk around, see what we can get into now. So the show's been over for about 20 minutes or so, but they still have a lot of stuff closed. Kid Flash is not open. Still got several rides I've seen that are not operating. The boardwalk is still closed. Not sure if they're opening it back up. The park's only open until 4. It's about 2:15 right now. Let's take a look at the DC universe, see what kind of progress they've made. So they got a lot of construction going on over here. Got these fences up. I don't know if we'll be able to see anything. I know they got that monorail ride that's being constructed. That might be what's going to be right here. Yep. Here we go. These are the 3 new rides here. Let's see what they have inside of Studio 6F. Got some sweatshirts here. Liking this teal color. What's this, a beer mug? Got plenty of hats. Got a little portable charger here. Little fuel rod, charge your phone up. Got some cozy socks. A little holiday socks. Get ready for the festive season. So I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I really love making these videos for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your day.